Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.32 trillion. We're down 2.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 44.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a sea of red across the board, mainly in the last 7 days. As you guys can see, some altcoins are down double digits. And one thing that we are seeing happen is majority of the altcoins are bleeding even harder compared to Bitcoin. And I have been mentioning this does tend to happen when we are seeing BTC dominance going towards the upside. So this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us right now. But if we're looking in the last 1 hour, we are seeing some mild green across the board. But again, this is nothing to be getting excited about right now. But today, guys, we want to look more further into Cardano and see where we could be going in the immediate short term. Alright, if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, we are currently trading at $1.17. We are down 3.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 2.7% in Bitcoin comparative in just the last 24 hours. ADA's current market cap right now is $37.67 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $1.2 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Cardano, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 832.7%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices. But today I want to share something very interesting that was posted by Willy Woo. He is a very well known analyst in the cryptocurrency market. So this is what he had to share with us. So chart weekly net flow to smallholders of less than 1 Bitcoin. It's retail that drives Bitcoin bull markets. When they stop buying, that's a bear market warning. They haven't stopped buying. Last 30 days, guys, whales sold 4,000 Bitcoin. Plebs bought 31,000 Bitcoin, compared to whales. So he's basically saying that this is the chart if you guys want to look further at it. So basically what Willy Woo is saying is that when we do see retail investors stop buying Bitcoin, that is a major warning that the bear market is very much approaching. But he is saying that over the last 30 days we have been seeing retail investors buy 30,000 Bitcoin. So he is indicating that the bull market is not over, and that's what I have been mentioning over the last few weeks for you guys as well. Yes, we are seeing a lot of uncertainty in the markets right now. We are seeing downward momentum occur. Altcoins are bleeding. Everyone is panicking. What is going on? Is the cryptocurrency markets over? But to answer that question is, guys, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture, guys. Compare where we were last year to now, and we are still up, quite a bit from where we were last year. So if we are looking at Cardano's price right now, you guys can see clearly right now we are trading in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. And obviously Bitcoin is being very volatile. We are entering in a weekend. And obviously you guys know what tends to happen on the weekends. We do tend to see the most manipulation occur in the cryptocurrency markets because the CME futures are closed. So this would be very interesting to see what will possibly happen in the next 2 days for the Bitcoin price. But right now, for Cardano, we are in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. A lot of people are wondering, are we going to go below $1? We will get into that right now. But me personally, I would like for Cardano's price to stay within this range over here. I don't care if it's gonna stay here for a couple weeks, month, but I would love to see Cardano stay within this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. But now let's answer the question whether or not it is a very likely possibility that Cardano could go below $1. So let's look into that and see if that could become a possibility for us. So let's look at Bitcoin charts briefly, because you guys know at the end of the day, markets do tend to follow Bitcoin's price, and right now Bitcoin has been doing something very, very interesting, and this is the third day in a row, guys. Please keep in mind, third day in a row that Bitcoin is unable to close above this $33,300 mark. And please keep in mind, we are in some very, very danger zone for Bitcoin. Now, you may be asking why that is. If this is your first time coming onto my channel, you might not know this, but this $33,300 mark is playing as a last life support for Bitcoin. If a Bitcoin price is below that, which it is right now, it does mean that the door is definitely open for us to drop below $30,000. So, if we do break below $29,957 level, we did see us getting supported by this $28,693 level. And, we are seeing at these price levels, we are seeing the bulls come and save the day. There is more volume coming in around these price levels for Bitcoin. But as of now, guys, around these levels above 30,000, we are not seeing the volume that we do need for Bitcoin to go towards the upside, especially above $36,300 mark. We are not seeing that happen right now. So that comes, now comes a question: are we going to see us go below $30,000? Possibility is definitely there. We are we're going into the weekend. CME futures are closed, and we do tend to see a lot of manipulation occur in the cryptocurrency markets around then. So let's be prepared for some sort of drop to occur, unless bulls come out here and save the day for the Bitcoin price. But if that's not the case, if bears do push the price of Bitcoin towards the downside, and we do not have buying pressure come in around these levels, we could definitely, like I have mentioned, go below all the way down to $25,000, guys. And what does that mean for Cardano? Then yes, guys, we could possibly fall below this level of support at this $1.06 mark. You guys can see initially we have dropped here since this move towards the downside. We dropped here once, twice, three times, and possibility is definitely there that we could fall back down once again. If we do bring out the measuring tool, that would mean that would roughly be a drop of, if we go below $1, roughly 14.5%. Definitely not out of the books just yet. Yes, no one wants to hear this happen, but guys, we do need to look at the overall scenario of the entire markets. And you guys know altcoins do tend to follow the Bitcoin's price, and right now this is definitely a possibility that is in the book. So let's keep that in mind. Me personally will be looking at very closely around those levels. I might put a buy order around below $1, because I do have some funds available that I could afford to dollar cost average in for Cardano. You guys know my stance on ADA. And if I can pick up some Cardano below $1, I would not be complaining for myself, because I am a strong major believer of Cardano, and I believe the next coming years will be revolutionary for the Cardano ecosystem. This year alone, we're going to be seeing a lot of exciting news coming ahead. We're already seeing a lot of excitement coming ahead. We're seeing Grayscale come and add ADA to their fund, because again, this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. There is a lot of institutional interest for Cardano right now coming in, along with retail interest, and obviously the excitement is building up for the smart contracts that are launching. This will be definitely revolutionary for the Cardano ecosystem, because this will allow developers to develop on the Cardano ecosystem, which a lot of developers have been, anticipating for quite a while right now. This is just a definite start for Cardano, and I believe the next coming years will be, very, very revolutionary, and Cardano will take cryptocurrency market to a whole new level, and I'm a strong believer of that. So, if I can pick up some Cardano at cheap prices, I cannot complain. Yes, newcomers coming into the markets. I know, guys. Do not get me wrong. I feel your guys' pain. We want to see major gains being made, over and over again. We just want to see the price of a big, Cardano altcoins just go straight to the moon. But again, that is definitely not the reality. We do need to face reality. Cryptocurrency markets can move up very, very fast, but there could be times where we do see consolidation occur, and price goes towards the downside. So this is where you need to learn that when you do see phases like these occur in the markets, a parabolic type of phases, you need to lock in some profit so you can be buying back the dips like these right now. But with that being said, I have mentioned this before, Cardano is by far one of the best cryptocurrency projects that is holding very, very strong, and that goes to show what good of a project it really is. Going on to staking rewards, guys, you guys can see 70.64% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. Ethereum's biggest competitor is Cardano. If we do compare these two, guys, numbers don't lie. 70.64% of the Cardano circulation supply is staked. Meanwhile, Ethereum is only 5.31%. So you guys get the picture as to what Cardano is doing and how people are really excited, and long-term perspective people are thinking about rather than short-term. Because long-term perspective, guys, no one can put a price on Cardano's price or its future. I believe the sky's the limit for it, and long term, literally, you cannot put a price target on the price of Cardano. This is why I'm a strong believer on it, and I have been accumulating Cardano for quite a while, and these kind of price movements do not worry me, because I do look at the bigger picture rather than the short-term picture. Yes, short-term, definitely we could possibly see some lower prices due to the overall crypto market sentiment. But again, I still believe, the light will come, and we will start to see another phase towards the upside, especially in Q4. In my opinion, we will see some more, move towards the upside, especially for altcoin market, which a lot of analysts are also calling. But again, we need to be looking at Bitcoin's price very, very closely, because if Bitcoin decides to go towards the downside, then everything else gets invalidated. So we do need to keep that in mind very, very closely. But with that being said, let me know in the comment section below what you guys are thinking, and what are you guys doing right now, my Cardano family. What are you guys doing? Are you guys scooping up more Cardano? Are you guys staking? What's your game plan? And do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. This does help my videos get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, each and every one of you guys. You guys know who you are. Just remember, your support does not go unnoticed. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.